Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set out of office in Outlook calendar. So, as you can see, I'm using the Outlook 365 version that comes as a part of an Office 365, and I'm also using the desktop application of the Outlook 365. So, if you want to set that you're an out of office in your calendar, that is, I guess, shared to other people, you are just want to get a new appointment. And today is 23 of January. This is December. So here it is. This is today's date. And I want to create a new appointment. And I'm going to be, let's say the title is going to be Hard Reset Out of Office, and the start time is going to be maybe the 29th of January, and the end time is going to be the whole week, so on the Friday 2nd of February. And I'm going to select all day, and here in this section you need to select the free, because you are going to be busy, because you're going to be on the out of office, but all your co-workers and all your people that you have shared the calendar with are probably going to be in the work. So you need to leave this free, because they are not going to be able to change anything in the calendar. And also you don't need to send them reminders every 18 hours that you're on a vacation or out of office. So leave this reminder to none. And also here you can select the time zones and make a recurring, but I guess you are not going to make a recurring because vacations are not recurring actions. But maybe you want to set that you're out of office maybe 2 times a week. So in this situation you are going to set the make a recurring. And after that, after setting all as it is right now, you are going to click save and close. And now, as you can see, the whole following week from the Monday to Friday is set that hard reset is out of office. So this is it. This is how you can add out of office in the Outlook calendar. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!